If any of your devices still have a spinning hard drive, be it a laptop, gaming console, or PC, it's high time you upgrade to a solid-state drive. So, let's begin. Number 1. Most popular. Samsung 860 EVO SSD, 2.5-inch 500GB. The Samsung 860 EVO launched early this year as the follow-up to the exceptionally popular Samsung 850 EVO. Though the 850 EVO is still trickling out of the market, the 860 EVO is the successor and includes a number of changes that result in better long-term endurance, and some minor performance increases. Though not as cheap as the least expensive drives on the market, with the 860 EVO you can expect slightly better performance, a long 5-year warranty. Unless your laptop takes super fast NVMe SSDs, the Samsung 860 EVO is the best bet on the market. Number 2. Western Digital WD Blue SSD, 2.5-inch 500GB. The WD Blue series of SSDs has been a highly rated, well-priced addition to the market since the middle of last year. In our testing, the 1TB model managed consistently high read-write speeds, it's competitively priced, and it has a 5-year warranty. The WD Blue is a cheaper option that will perform functionally identically in day-to-day use. It lacks hardware encryption and doesn't come in a 4TB package, but those are extremely niche concerns. The WD Blue does the best job of balancing performance, price, and a long warranty, so for most people, it's actually the best choice right now. Number 3. SanDisk Ultra 3D SSD, 2.5-inch 500GB. The SanDisk Ultra 3D NAND SSD comes in a wide variety of form factors and capacities, and it's very similar to the Western Digital WD Blue. As with the others' drives, it'll be a very fast upgrade over a hard drive, but you won't notice a huge jump over other SATA 3 SSDs. Our only hang-up with the SanDisk Ultra is its 3-year warranty, which is a bit behind the 5-year warranty that most of the competition offers. SanDisk does allow you to write to the drive significantly more frequently per day while still honoring the warranty. Number 4. Crucial MX500 SSD, 2.5-inch 500GB. If one thing is clear from our testing, it's that most modern SSDs perform about the same when using the most common SATA 3 and M.2 connections. Outside of some newer high-performance NVMe drives that we'll test later this year, most people simply should find the cheapest drive that works for them and go with that, especially if that drive offers a 5-year warranty. The Crucial MX500 definitely checks those boxes, and at 250 and 500 GB it was as cheap as any other drive we tested. It did perform ever so slightly worse than the best drives, but not enough you'd notice with regular use. Number 5. Kingston A400 SSD, 2.5-inch 480GB. The Kingston A400 SSD performed admirably in our round of testing, but it didn't do enough to make up for the fact that it offered lower capacity and typically cost more than comparable drives in this round. We don't recommend drives that small for PCs or game consoles, but it's a good option to have. The higher price, average performance, and shorter 3-year warranty period were enough to keep the Kingston A400 from threatening the top spot, but if you find it on a killer sale and it fits your needs, there's certainly no reason to avoid it. Thanks for watching, like, comment and share.